Cold start on this is brutal. 7 in the morning. I do apologise, neighbours. It's on the Insta 360 Go today. I haven't got my GoPro with the external microphone, so I thought I'd just put the little camera inside my helmet and see how it does. You're not actually allowed to take these on track days anymore, so that was the reason for buying it, so I could have it in my helmet. But yeah, last track day I went on, I got chucked off the track day for it, so. Ooh, 60 like that.
The dashboard, I mean, is it not flashed up? Fire pressures.
Well, no, because I had another warning about the indicator.
All you have to do is flip that to the left.
I thought I had to do it to the left. I did get it off eventually, but.
Yeah. I'm never going to get bored of saying it. You're going to get bored of hearing it though. You would never know if you genuinely had a problem.
They left this out, the new naked review the other day. They did a super naked review on YouTube, but they couldn't get the Ducati on it because the Michelin didn't do the right side rear tyre. So Ducati didn't send them one, but probably would have been at the top, wouldn't it?
Do you know what my daughter's boyfriend said after he came round to my he's a bit of a she.
Chewed up that tyre though.
We all get bikes for different things.
Scrub that back in for you. Yeah. Big group turning up here. 10, 12 of us. Somewhere to put your brew.
Yeah, because I mean with that, it's like, I know even going flat out, me going flat out, he's nowhere near as fast as the
Carbon up everywhere.
Staring on the bolted there, whereas this one, it's Velcro under there and somewhere else. Traction control is fucking absolute. So I reckon when I'm trying to get the this one,
It's probably spinning a slight bit and just.
You actually want it to spin, don't you? So see how it is.
Waiting for it. It doesn't do anything.
That's probably why you really
Little blast up to settle.
Maybe. Or just because it's shit.
A coffee, some brekkie.
Hey? If you had engine brake, it'd feel better. Yeah.
Sounds just addicting. I love the pops and crackles it makes. decent about it, popping and banging though. I know you hear these car drivers ragging it around and that and you think knobhead, but when you've got it yourself, you can understand why they do it all the time. Different one, wasn't it?
I've had last 2 roads, I didn't fucking know it.
That's the worst kind of road to ride. You don't know it.
Yeah, I know.
No points, can't see.
Yeah.
And then I was looking at the sat nav.
It detonates this, doesn't it? You know when you go between the gears? Bang, bang, bang. Nice, yeah. I mean, I just get addicted to that, letting off the throttle. Bang, bang, bang. The amount of fuel it uses just fucking...
No, that's
good road if you
proper pin it. Exactly what we were saying. Just slaps.
Yeah, it's a good straight, that, isn't it? When you went past, I wound on, I was fucking...
Yeah, I did it. I thought... Well, it's still going, so fuck it.
Yeah.
Chilling. I'll tell you what, I had them put on.
How long? How much? 27. 27 mile an hour.
We've averaged 43 miles an hour all the way here.
Have we, yeah?
All the way on the motorway.
Yeah, and again, isn't too bad. You can't have too on the back of the out.
Getting the market set up. Just looking for the cake stand.
I've been riding around with nothing on, riding it like it's stolen, people thinking it is stolen.
I saw a YouTube video today where they thought he copped box this guy in it a bike, he had no reg plate.
Then you start getting nervous. Shit, but
So that's the model you had, isn't it? Is it? Was it not? Was it?
Well, mine was. It was the same. It was the same look.
Confuses me, which. That's the,
Yeah, mine didn't have a TFT.
yeah, it done good.
And it had the shitty old, not shit, but the Samsung.
Hey up. Lee's here.
That's not an HD, then.
Fucking hell, I'm not doing very well here, am I? Z900. Looks like an H2 though. We'll head up to the bridge then.
It'll be me anyway.
We'll right at the viaduct, and that more familiar with that road.
Yeah, go right
When
and
we
then
get
left.
to Hawes, we'll just go left and go back way to Sedberg.
Yeah, go through us and just go up the petrol station,
We'll
turn
stop at
left
the
rather than
bridge
go up to the right.
Yeah, it's quick
5 minutes.
yeah.
Go on.
You were going to say for a brew then, and then you thought about the queues, didn't you? We'll stop at the bridge for a stop.
The quick stop at the bridge. And it. Smart that.